Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 10th to August the 12th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit a zine notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa kabilang channel. That is Pabaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, Capricorn, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. Capricorn, ang nakikita ko dito parang sinasabi natin na this connection of mine is not yet over. Merong separations, whether it is physical or energetic separations. Parang meron na ditong isang tao or it could be, both parties are already realizing na sa haba-haba ng pinagsamahan natin, dito lang tayo mapupunta. I think I need to work things out, no? Baka meron din akong pwedeng baguhin sa sarili ko, baka ikaw ang pwedeng magbago. Something that we can work hand in hand together and be a team so that we can push the connection a little further, no? So the bottom line is, since meron na or mahaba na yung pinagsamahan, baka pwede pa natin maisalba, no? Five of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords, the High Priestess. Siguro nandito tayo sa we're sitting on a fence of whether or not are we going to push the connection? Are we going to not move? Or we just let it go? Kasi nakikita mo na somewhat nakapagbitaw ka na ng salita or there may be some decision making na parang or realization na bigla mo sinabi back then nung nag-decide kayong magkaroon ng separation, hindi na ako babalik, no? This connection is totally over, no? Pero as time passes by, parang syempre sa haba ng pinagsamahan, sa mga dreams, aspirations and goals na pwedeng pinagsaluhan, parang sinasabi mo baka kaya pa, lulunukin ko ba itong sinabi kong mga salita with the Emperor, the Ten of Cups. So Capricorn, nandito tayo sa situation na we would love sana for our person to make a move, to parang ipakita, no, sa atin na they are sincere sa connection, that they wanted to put the connection to another level, that they can do some changes. I feel like with the Ten of Swords in here, are we truly decided? Hold up the Empress and the Three of Cups. Yung iba naman sa inyo, baka naman kasi ngayon iniisip ninyo na isa siguro sa makakapagpasalba ng aming relationship is dagdagan yung anak or magkaanak na, no? Or put this connection talaga, we need to go into cohabitation, no, or marriage. The Eight of Cups and the Four of Cups, parang kasi yung nangyayari sa atin ngayon, parang laban o bawi, no? Minsan bigla mong maiisip, eto, tapos bigla mong babawiin, kaya hindi siya umuusad. Merong mga decisions dito na at that current moment of time, no, yung time na yon gustong-gusto mong gawin. Tapos kapag kapag lumilipas na yung oras, para siya na-expire, no? Pag nahanginan, pag para siyang chichirya. Pag binuksan mo yung balot, tapos nahanginan, hindi na siya ganun kakunat, hindi na masarap kainin. Tapos biglang, ay, hindi na nga lang kaya, no? Pabago-bago ang decision making natin when it comes to our romantic situation and to our person. The Ace of Wands, the Ace of Cups, the Strength card. I feel like siguro iniisip mo dito, yung passion ba? Ito bang mga yung vision ba, yung yung vision ni person. You know, we're talking about the intimate moments. Yung hagod ba niya, yung halik ba niya, kung you know, yung feeling kung paano kami magkaroon ng intimate moment, yun ba yung nami-miss ko? Or mami-miss ko kapag nagkaroon kami ng separation or hindi na ito ipagpatuloy? Kasi parang at the back of your mind, magaling naman din talaga si person. Kumbaga, ang satisfaction natin is sometimes nandun sa intimate moments. Ngayon, iniisip mo, ito ba ang, baka naman last lang to, baka libog lang itong nararamdaman ko. Hindi kaya. With the Strength card, the King of Swords, the Hermit, you might be in a situation right now that you are actually digging deep inside rather than also seeing your person. I think that this is what we call you are entering the shadow works. Um, pa-shadow work na to eh. You know, you're facing your own demons. You're also going deep within. I can see your realization at some point. But as of the moment, what I can strongly suggest is for you not to make a decision kung ganito ang iyong nararamdaman, ha? That's just my 2 cents. Kasi if you're gonna make a decision and if you're unsure even of yourself, you might gonna end up with a situation that you might say a period, no, sa isang bagay and take it back right after. So if you are unsure with anything, probably you can ask your person to give you time, have your time, no? Your you time, my me time, para at least makapag-unwind, makapag-isip. But don't ever make a decision when it comes to like finalizing a thing, whether it is relationship, whether it is uh, business, career, what have you, no? What's the point of it all? And you have to be patient. So I believe that this is your person um is going to tell you what's the point of you wanting to have your you time, no? So pag yun na trigger ka, yun yung tanong, masasagot mo, eh, hindi na nga kita mahal, patay tayo doon, or hindi ko na alam kung ano nararamdaman ko. So that might create, you know, sort of like another fire um to make this connection a little bit more chaotic. So, you know, you probably you can just ask your person to give you some you time. You know, give them a specific time, 1 week. No, I just want kasi nababurn out ako. I think that's the most sabihin nating safest, no, na pwede nating i-reason out. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Virgo, Taurus, Leo, Pisces, Aries, Scorpio, Cancer, Capricorn, Sagittarius. Yeah, so this is your reading, Capricorn. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan. That is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan ng live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung kilala nyo po yung sarili ninyo, no, Capricorn, kung hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, sa description box po ng video na ito, nandun po ang link ng aking website. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. There is actually a question form. Sa pinakababa, i-browse nyo po sa pinakababa. Nandun po yung question form. Ibaba nyo pa, nandun po yung information, how much per question, the QR codes, the name, the number for your reference. I also created a discounted price of 4 questions plus 1. And if you want to book a personal reading, another din po siya sa description box. No? Tuloy pa rin yung manhunt. So, kung gusto nyo manalo ng free personal reading, paki-report po yung mga fake accounts and then screenshot yung report, submit it to the designated email. Pwede nyo po siyang gawin araw-araw dun sa mga fake accounts, and then submit it to the designated email para po pag na puksa natin yan, bubunot tayo ng lucky winner. Ayan. Kung hinahanap nyo yung X-Files na readings, yung All About X's, nandun na po sa Facebook para hindi po nag-aaway dito sa YouTube. This is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Capricorn.